What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm back with another update on Pepe. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I'd greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so in general, if you look at the crypto market right now, it's being very indecisive. Bitcoin obviously had its initial run up from about 53.5K up to 70K, and now it's having a little bit of a pullback. And if you do look at the Bitcoin chart, it doesn't actually look too bad at all. But that rejection off of 70,000 was brutal. Now, what I do want to point out for Bitcoin is that we are still trading above the 200-day moving average, which is this golden line. That right there is very important. We do not want to lose this level. If we do lose this level, then I would definitely expect more downside. But as of right now, Bitcoin has put in a higher low, a higher high, and now a higher low. So if we can come up and put in a higher high again, then that could be very bullish. And there's a chance we could see Bitcoin go all the way up to all-time highs. Because if you look at the larger time frames, like the daily, for example, the daily has legs right now. The stochastics have pretty much completely reset, and it looks like we're about to get a bounce off of the 21-day. Not to mention, at the moment, we have tweezer bottoms. Now, I will admit, we have not closed tweezer bottoms yet. So there's definitely a chance that this candle does end up getting worse. But tweezer bottoms almost bouncing off of the 21-day is a great look. So actually, the more and more that I look at this chart, I think Bitcoin actually looks very good right now. And if you look at Watch Your Guru's X account, there's so much bullish news around crypto constantly. For example, it just posted 23 hours ago. Russian parliament passes a bill to allow cross-border payments with cryptocurrency. And then July 29th, US national debt reaches an all-time high of 35 trillion. And this right here just goes to show you how important Bitcoin is, because obviously there's no inflation rate. It has a max supply of only 21 million. And now I'm not going to read through all of it, but if you guys haven't seen this, I recommend going to Watch Your Guru and reading through Donald Trump's Bitcoin conference speech. He says a lot of super bullish stuff. Now, obviously, I understand that politicians are going to say whatever they can to get your vote. But the point is, he is still saying stuff like Bitcoin will one day probably surpass the market cap of gold to the masses. That right there is going to make everyone sit back and take a look at Bitcoin. So yeah, I honestly at this point don't understand how anyone out there cannot be bullish on crypto. I truly mean that. But now obviously the meme coin I'm covering today is Pepe. And if you look at Pepe, we did still get the breakout. Nothing has changed in that regard. You can see that that is a clear trend line break. Now, what I would personally do at the moment is draw Pepe in some sort of a bull flag pattern, and bull flags actually break up 68% of the time. And this bull flag in particular would have a measured move up to about a $6.7 billion market cap. Now, oftentimes meme coins don't always follow technical analysis just because they kind of do their own thing. But when you have one of the highest market cap meme coins in a bull flag, that is a very good sign. And I do also want to point out, just because a lot of people are going to say Pepe isn't performing very well, none of the meme coin market is performing very well right now. Dogecoin in the last week is down 5%, SHIB is down 5%. Now, yes, Pepe is down 10%, but so is WIF. Bonk's down 8%, Floki's down 8%. So don't just sit here and think that Pepe is the only thing performing bad. It's not. And I'm personally still of the belief that Pepe has a good chance to pass Shiba Inu this bull run. Obviously, that's not guaranteed, but there are actually a lot of people who think that way. And if I've learned anything in meme coins, it's that when there is a strong narrative, oftentimes it plays out. Just like last bull run, there was a narrative that Shiba Inu was going to pass Dogecoin. And there was a very short period of time where Shiba did pass Dogecoin. And right now, the narrative is that Pepe is going to pass SHIB. Now, for all of you Pepe holders out there, I also want to show you a different Pepe, and this is actually Pepe on Base. If you guys have been following my channel at all, you know that I love this project. But basically, the way that I look at this is a derivative of Pepe and ETH. It is going to be significantly more volatile. So what I want you to look at is this run up right here, when Pepe was sitting at about a $3.8 billion market cap on May 19th, and it ran all the way up to around a $7 billion market cap. That is just under a 2x, which are still great gains. All right, but if you look at Pepe and Base, what did it do during that time? It ran from about a $2.5 million market cap up to about a $24 million market cap. And actually, there was a massive $253,000 buy, which sent it up to a $49 million market cap. But regardless, even if you only want to count the $23 to $24 million market cap, that is still almost a 10x. So in the time that Pepe and ETH went up about 80 or 90%, Pepe and Base went up 10x. So again, I'm not sitting here trying to convince you to buy this. Just understand this is an option that you have. It very easily can work as a derivative of Pepe and ETH. But now I would like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, and there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me. You guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And we've been making some huge gains in here. For example, I just posted a buy alert for Nihon at a $60,000 market cap on July 28th. That is 3 days ago as of when I'm recording this video. And the most recent screenshot I have, it ran to an $800,000 market cap, but it actually reached a $1.1 million market cap. That is well over a 15x. So if this is the kind of stuff that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building a very strong community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But I also want to be crystal clear. Every single one of these projects that I cover on my channel comes with extremely high risk. It is very important that you always understand your risk tolerance. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Pepe will go this bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.